contour line. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to create contours lines isotypes. Click on the contour line option in the Tools menu. In the panel that opens, the first layer of the altitude information is selected. Then it is indicated in which column the elevation information is in the selected layer. Lastly, after entering the layer to which the model will be added and the range information, the contour lines are created when the Create button is clicked. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.